Are you looking for the best hotel in Kuala Lumpur that's literally right next to the Sentral train station? Let me show you the Breezy Suite at the upscale Aloft KL Sentral Hotel. Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger and I just completed my round the world trip. 2 continents, 8 countries, one of them my homeland in Malaysia. So let me show you.
We are here at Aloft KL Central. That's my friend Brian.
Hey,
Guest star for this tour of our Breezy Suite.
are we ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
So gelap.
Let me go put this in. Here's one.
It looks very similar to the one I saw last time. So this is the living room with like a little happy birthday cake. So pretty. Even the GM
If you do like this video, please give me thumbs up.
was just now greeting me at the front desk when I was checking. Lovely. What do you call this?
Minimalistic. Mid-century.
Mid-century modern
room.
living room. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, that's the kitchen. Let's kind of show the kitchen a little bit.
Yeah.
And then
Please subscribe to my channel because like I said, I just finished my world tour. So there's a lot more that I'm going to share with you.
that's the room.
Very happy tiles there.
Very happy. Super happy. Pregnant, right?
Yes. Look at how cool the bedroom is.
Oh, happy birthday!
That's just awesome.
With balloons and stuff.
Wait, there's another bathroom, major bathroom.
Oh, that's the main bathroom. I think that's the guest bathroom. Ah, so nice.
This
Thank
is
you,
so
Greg.
cool.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. This
The
feels
bed
so
is big enough
special.
for us.
Ta-da.
This is the bathroom. Quite sizable.
Yes.
Shower, happy shower.
And there's a his and his sink.
Not hers and hers, no. Because you. The toilet. Oh my god, I miss Japanese washlet. That the oscillating thing. It's like a. Can't see it on video. Ayolah, before we destroy it, we take pictures.
It's really beautiful. The view is gorgeous. Well, it's
What do you see?
City beautiful.
Oh, how do you even?
So share with the bestie who will be interested to go somewhere like this.
Girl.
Manual. So that's the view of Kuala Lumpur Central. There's Plaza Central and a bunch of offices around here. That one got pool. Oh, the pool very nice. You haven't been upstairs. Pool's really nice upstairs.
I might just need to rest it.
Oh, they're building something over there. More construction.
Me like it.
So some old Kuala Lumpur in the middle of modern Kuala Lumpur. So nice lah, got view like that. That's kind of the tour.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you, Aloft.
Thank you, Ella.
Okay.
Bye.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm going to post soon. Oh, as I mentioned, I am a blogger. That means I do have a blog. It's shaytravel.com. I'll put the link in the comments and description section. I do post travel deals like discount on flights, travel guides and tips for you to check out later when you're done watching this video. Till next time, happy travels!
Wait, let's see. Oh,
Hi guys.